Writing number sentences can be kind of confusing. So I want to walk you through it and help you out. Listen to my story, and we're going to use my math picture to help us. I had 5 cookies. I ate 3 of them. Well, some of you might choose to draw a line through those 3. Some of you might simply choose to cross each one out. Either strategy is good, so choose the one that's best for you. Let's get back to our story. I had 5 cookies. I ate 3 of them. How many cookies are left? Well, for my number sentence today, I'm going to use a minus sign. That's because I'm taking something away. Remember, I ate those delicious cookies. So now we know which symbol we're using. Let's talk about what our numbers are and where they go. So my first number in a subtraction equation is always going to be how many I started with. That is a rule, my friends. When it comes to subtraction, your first number is always how many you started with. I started with 5 cookies. That's my whole number. The second number, the number that comes after the minus sign, is how many cookies were taken away. So that is when you would look at your picture and see how many you crossed off. I ate 3 cookies. So I had 5 cookies. I took 3 away. The number that is going to be after the equal sign is how many are left. 2 cookies are left. Let's review this rule one more time before you get working on making your number sentences. When it comes to subtraction, the first number is always how many you started with, your whole number. The second number after the minus sign is how many you took away, the ones you crossed off. And your last number after the equal sign is how many you have left.